Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the new Access 125 to ACC or on. This wakes its Bluetooth module. Make sure the battery is above 50% so the radio stays stable. On your phone, open Bluetooth, make it discoverable, and search for Access 125 or similar. You should prepare common pins like 0000 or 1234 because many units use simple defaults. Once you see the device listed, tap it to start pairing so the motorcycle and phone can exchange authentication. Once the phone shows Access 125, tap to connect and respond to the pairing dialog immediately. Delays can cause timeouts. If a PIN is requested, enter the default code and then allow both media and call access. This ensures audio routing and phone book sync. You'll see a paired or connected icon on the phone, and the dash may display a connection message. Make sure to test audio briefly by starting music or a call, because that verifies both A2DP and hands-free profiles. To finalize, play a short song and place a test call so you verify audio, mic function, and remote controls. Set phone media volume around 70 to 80% for reliable level. If pairing fails, remove or forget the Access 125 entry on your phone and clear paired devices on the bike, then retry the pairing steps. This resets stale bonds. If problems persist, restart both phone and motorcycle, and check for firmware or software updates, because outdated stacks often cause incompatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.